How to report a problem on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to report a problem on TikTok. So first thing, go to TikTok, tap on profile and tap on those three buttons up there. Now tap on setting and privacy, and now keep search until you find report a problem. Wait a minute. And this is all the problem solution. Now if you want to grow your account, tap on I want to grow my account, and they're gonna give you some advices. This is the advices. Is your problem resolved? Tap no or yes. And I can start a live, following too fast, tapping too fast, anything. So this is how you solve your problem on TikTok. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.